Hi guys, and for very easy and tasty recipes that you can make in your waffle iron. Now there are so many different foods that you can actually cook in a waffle iron other than waffles. So today I'm going to share with you a breakfast idea, 2 ideas that would work for either lunch or dinner, and then a dessert. I hope you like this video. I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up and that you will subscribe if you're not already. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm kicking things off with my breakfast option. Today I'm making these Churro French Toast Sticks. Now I call them Churro French Toast Sticks because I'm going to be using some cinnamon and sugar. They are super delicious. I'm going to start by cracking 3 eggs into a dish. To this I'm going to add about a half a cup of milk, just a tiny bit of sugar, not too much because it is going on the outside as well, and then I'm going to whisk it up. Now if you want to get fancy, you can also add some vanilla flavoring, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of cinnamon. And then I just whisk this up again. Next, I'm going to prepare my cinnamon sugar mixture so it's ready to go. I'm going to add about 2 parts of sugar to 1 part cinnamon, and then just mix it up. Now one very important detail when you're using your waffle iron to cook other foods is to spray it really well with nonstick spray. This waffle iron I'm using today is actually my husband's grandmother's, and it is older than I am, but it still works really well. So I'm going to start by dipping my bread very quickly into the egg mixture. I don't want my bread to get too soggy, and then I'm just going to cook it until it's done. Next, I'm going to remove it and very quickly dip it in my cinnamon sugar mixture, making it like a churro. Then I'm going to cut it into sticks. This is definitely one of my kids' favorite treats. I'm also going to serve this with some fresh strawberries and a little bit of maple syrup to dip in. Now before I give this a try, I definitely want to remember to take a picture for my thumbnail. With the cinnamon and sugar, these smell like churros for sure. And you guys, these make excellent freezer breakfasts as well. Make a big batch, stick them in the freezer, and reheat them in the toaster.